Rank the following carbocations from least stable to most stable. So to begin answering this question, we need to remember what makes a carbocation stable. Like alkenes, carbocations are stabilized by having more bonds to other carbon atoms. So what this tells us is that the most stable carbocation will be the one that we call the most substituted, meaning the one that has the most bonds to other carbon atoms. And then the least stable carbocation would be the one that is the least substituted. To rank these carbocations, we will need to decide how they are all substituted. So we will first need to locate the carbocation carbon. In structure 1, it is here. And then look to see how many bonds to other carbon atoms it has. So it has one here and one here. So this is a secondary carbocation. If we consider the second structure, here's the carbocation carbon, and it has bonds to 1, 2, 3 other carbon atoms, making this a tertiary carbocation. If we look at the last structure, here is our carbocation, and that carbon atom has bonds to 1 other carbon, making this a primary carbocation. We were asked to rank these in order from least stable to most stable, which means that this third structure, the primary carbocation, is our least stable. And this is less stable than structure 1, the secondary carbocation, which is in turn less stable than structure 2, the tertiary carbocation. Looking at our options, this ranking corresponds to option C, which is the correct answer.